Hi, I'm Arthur from Rose Optometry in Frankton, here today to give you a few pointers on how to look after your glasses and how not to look after your glasses. Do not expose the lenses to extreme temperatures. When you are putting your glasses on, both hands, like so, not like this or like this. It strains the hinges and they will end up breaking. Off, on. When you are not wearing your glasses, you can put them down as such or so, but never face down. When your glasses are not being worn, they should really be sitting in their case as so. To avoid breaking your glasses, keep them in their case, because this will happen. Okay, we recommend warm water with a mild soap on your lenses and then just dry off with a good quality cotton towel. For cleaning elsewhere, our recommended cleaner, lens cleaner, and a little front and rear, and a paper tissue, facial type tissue, not a paper towel. And then you just dry them off like so. Nice and clean lenses. Do not use abrasive substances to clean your lenses, because this is what will happen. Another way of cleaning your lenses is with a microfiber cloth, which you rub across the lens, which creates static electricity, which draws the dirt into the lens cleaning cloth. Then every couple of weeks you need to clean this cloth as it becomes dirty. That's it for today. To get the best out of your glasses, follow the instructions.